Thank you for your purchase. You have made the best investment so far. It's time to present your business with professionalism, boost your credibility, and attract more customers lightning fast. Get ready to demand your visitors' attention and captivate them with this marvelous assortment of 520 plus eye-popping editable graphics to boost your traffic, conversions, and sales. Remember, the success of your business highly depends on the graphics you choose. Your graphics decide whether you would make a sale or lose a potential buyer. Sloppy graphics are just like sloppy merchandise, and nobody is interested in buying them. Contrarily, eye-catching graphics will help your potential customers visualize the products or services you're offering, and for most of the people, they capture and hold attention faster and easier than any other marketing elements. People will automatically be drawn to the graphics, and you can choose them to your advantage by highlighting positive points and striking benefits of your products and services. But before you rush off to hire the best graphic designer available, we hate to break it to you. It's not that easy. In order to spice up your website with alluring graphics, you probably must be doing one of these things. Number 1, hiring a decent graphic designer. But before you jump right off the hook to hire the best graphic designer available, we would like to tell you how much it would cost you. Pretty expensive, right? Number 2, creating eye-popping graphics yourself. But it's not that easy. You need to possess designing skills and tech skills to work on highly complicated designing software. That simply means spending days or even weeks on your desktop trying to create a single design, neglecting all other important aspects of your business. Number 3, downloading graphics from other people's website, which is illegal and you can be penalized with copyright fines. This will sabotage not just your marketing efforts, but even your whole internet marketing business. But this thing is going to change right now. Get your hands on a massive assortment of 100 product layouts, 3D, 100 PowerPoint covers, 50 CD designs, 50 Facebook timeline covers, 20 funnel image designs, 150 plus affiliate banner designs, 50 background images, and so much more, covering many hot niches such as internet marketing, business, health and fitness, self-help, and many more. All the files are in 3 different formats, including PNG, JPEG, and PSD editable files so that you can edit and reuse them as many times as you want with very little effort on your part. We're also providing you a step-by-step editing tutorial video to help you get going in no time. And the best part is, you're getting everything with an option of private label rights. That means you can sell it under your own name and generate insane profits. You're even getting 4 additional modules of complete DFY sales materials with our private label rights option. Module 1, professionally written upsell sales page copy. Module 2, professionally designed upsell graphics. Module 3, top converting upsell mini sites. Module 4, conversions boosting upsell email swipes. Right at this moment, there could be a visitor on your website who is about to leave because your graphics are sloppy and unprofessional. You are losing money all because of the graphics on your site. Don't lose any more. Even better, grab our private label rights option and sell this valuable graphics pack to anyone you want and pocket every cent you make. Remember, we have created them so that you can use them for any type of online business and still get the success you so desperately want and deserve. Don't waste another second. Act now and get instant access to this amazing offer below.